Hey everyone, this is Keegan from National Powersports. This 2007 Victory Kingpin with 27,161 miles passes New Hampshire State inspection and runs well. It's been upgraded with a detachable upper fairing, Lehman TRIKE kit, passenger backrest, passenger grab handles, steering damper, and LED headlight. We have replaced the rear tires. The Kingpin is a stylish entry in the North American cruiser class, offering rugged power, responsive handling, and rider comfort. Powered by a 100 cubic inch V-twin motor, the Kingpin puts impressive power through a 6-speed transmission. In stock form, it has a 26.5 inch seat height and a dry weight of 654 pounds. To see everything we know about this vehicle, including full mechanical and cosmetic condition reports, the service repair order, high-resolution photos, and more, please visit the listing on our website. We have also purchased the CycleCheck's Vehicle History Report. You can view this report by clicking the link on the right side of the video.